What's going on, everybody? Genesis Jones here with Total G Shockers, and in part 3 of the video series, we'll be walking through how to register your current location and how to view registered points on your GPRB1000 Rangeman. Let's get started. So if you haven't already, go back and check out the first 2 videos of this video series. In part 1, we talked about the GPS technology a bit, how to start using the navigation on your Rangeman, how to change the display scale, and how to check the distance to your destination. In part 2, we talked about how to return to a start point, known as the backtracking function, how to stop navigation, and how to delete a destination. There was a lot of information, so I encourage you to check those videos out now. Let's walk through how to register your current location. Now you can use this procedure below to record your current location in point memory. Now point recorded in point memory can be specified as the destination for future navigation operations. Remember that point memory can store up to 60 points on your Rangeman. So step 1 is to hold down the rotary switch for no more than 1 second while a navigation operation is in progress. After you record your location, the display will momentarily show its latitude and longitude as well as other information. After a few seconds, the message set icon with a question mark will appear. Step 2. Rotate the rotary switch to select whether or not you want to assign an icon to the point you recorded. Yes assigns an icon and no cancels the icon registration. Step 3, press the rotary switch. Now if you selected no, meaning that you did not want an icon assigned, then this completes the recording procedure and your Rangeman will return to the navigation screen. However, if you selected yes, then move on to step 4, which is to rotate the rotary switch to move the pointer to the icon you want. If you want to cancel the icon assignment for any reason, just press the bottom left button. Rotate the rotary switch to select whether or not you want to save the current settings. Yes will register the currently selected icon and no will cancel the registration. Then press the rotary switch, and after you're finished with this step, we move to step 5, which is to press the rotary switch to exit the settings screen. And this will assign the icon you selected to the point you recorded. So that's how you register your current location. Now let's move on to how to view your registered points. So step 1, press the rotary switch. This will display the GPS navigation mode setting screen. Step 2, you want to rotate that rotary switch to move the pointer to recall, and then press the rotary switch. Step 3, you want to rotate that rotary switch again to move the pointer to point. Press the rotary switch. This will display a menu of dates and times that points were registered. Step 4, again, you want to rotate that rotary switch to move the pointer to the date and time of the point you want to check. Then press the rotary switch. This will display details about the selected point. Now, let's get into some scenarios. Scenario 1, if ever you wanted to change the icon assigned to a registered point, then step 1, while having the point details displayed, press the rotary switch. Step 2, rotate the rotary switch to move the pointer to the icon you want, then press the rotary switch. This will then change to the icon you selected. And step 3, press the bottom left button as many times as you need to return to the GPS navigation mode setting screen. Now scenario 2, say if you wanted to protect a registered point. Then step 1, while having the menu of locations displayed, rotate the rotary switch to move the pointer to the date and time of the point you want to protect. Now, if the details of a particular registered point are already displayed, go ahead and move on to step 2, which is to press the bottom right button. Now, this will protect the selected point. Now, a protected point is indicated by a lock icon, which is displayed on the screen across from where it says back. Now to unprotect, just press the bottom right button again. And step 3, press the bottom left button as many times as necessary so that your Rangeman can return to the GPS navigation mode setting screen. Now scenario 3, let's say you wanted to delete a register point. Then you would follow these steps. Step 1, while the menu of register points or the details of a particular register point are displayed, press the top left button. Step 2, rotate that rotary switch to select a delete method. Now 1 deletes only the currently selected point, whereas all deletes all points. Step 3, press the rotary switch. This will delete the point or points. Now if you selected all, press the rotary switch again to delete. Delete will also be executed automatically after about 10 seconds, even if you don't press the rotary switch again. Step 4, press the bottom left button as many times as necessary to return to the GPS navigation mode setting screen. So there you are. That's how you register your current location and view the registered points with the options to change the icon assigned to a registered point, to protect a registered point, and to delete a registered point. Now in part 4, we'll be walking through how to set a registered point as the destination and also how to edit the navigation use history. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when we drop our next video. That's all for now. And as always, continue to rock your G-Shock nonstop. Deuces!